Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Vinny Boy, one of the lazy dogs. And I know the other lazy dogs are not here, but you know, they've been busy lately, like I said. But they'll be back soon. But anyways, today's Thursday for Smuga. So now let's just get the gems first. And we can do a pack open. And I've made Eximo for a long time. This is my team. One of my accounts rates it. I mean, it's not bad, but let's just get to the pack opening. Okay, guys. Oh, they took out the first club one. Not me. Why? Anyways, let's open this one. Got Gareth Bale. 134 pace. Oh my days. Nah, that's incredible. Rivaldo, Cafu, Campbell, Riquelme, Coles. Well, let's hope to pack one. Come on, EA. Give me something good, EA. Come on. Take her back. Chalobah. Man, that's a black nigga. Anyways, not a lot of packs in the store we can open, but let's just open the limited one. Get something good here. Anything we can open now. Come on, EA. Come on. Just please give me something good, EA. Okay. Don't come back. Oh, 106. Yeah, that's not bad. That's good for shots. I won't lie, that's good for shots. But you won't make the team. But sweet. They said there's a new what's this star pick, so let's check it out. No, still the same things. Anyway. I don't have enough. Wait, I do. Wait. But is this worth it, guys? Nah. We'll do it on another account. So let's go to the next account. Okay, guys. So now we're on another account of mine, and 108. It's the account, guys. I know it's alright, but rate it. Anyways, let's get the gems. 9 is okay, not bad here. But why did he take out that other one? Sometimes he is just stupid for real. Let's get to the pack opening. I don't want to wait for it. I think I know when to open it. Okay. First glow. Watch. Second glow, and then he comes up, goes down, then you open it. Watch this. What's this? Senegal striker. Nicholas Jackson. No, it's alright, but he won't make the team. Yeah, Senegal. I mean, we already got Eusebio and Hernandez, so we won't need him. Just exchange him for shards. Now let's open this one. Okay. You guys saw, no? Almost like something like something crazy for real. But let's just wait. That's low. Then come. Second goal. Just take the second goal. I know it won't be anything good. Morocco. Striker. Oh my days. 102. What the heck, EA? Just give me. Oh no. Oh, wait, we have a lot of fodder here. Wait, let me see something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Could put Nicholas Jackson. I don't. But we need shots, dude. No, I don't care. Okay, guys, I'm gonna do the extra time star pick. Do for good. Please, EA, please. Come on, EA, please give me something good. Give me something very, very, very good, EA. Please, please, please. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Oh my days, guys. We pegged 108 Bastoni. Oh my days. 100 shots, but no. Bastoni is way better than that. 108 Bastoni. Wow. Incredible, guys. Incredible. Well, he'll be making the team for sure. Look, we even had another 106. So we'll exchange that one for shards. You see, guys? Logic. But wow, that was incredible. Now we'll go on to the next account. Hey guys, we're on the next account, and this is one of my main accounts, you know. I grind on this account. I played this account like for a long time. Very long time. Rate this account, rate this account, you know. Rate this account. Tell me what do you think of it, you know. And yeah, let's go get the gems. Oh my days, what is this now? Okay, let's just go get the gems. 10,000, you know. This account, you know, it's just incredible. But you only have 11,000. Okay, let's just open the packs. I don't need to change my squad. I don't care. Doesn't matter. But let's see what we can pick. Or let's do like what Timothy said. One of the lazy dogs. He said, wait for the third glow. The second one. Let's see if he's right. And the third glow. Open to the right. Touch. Center mid. I knew it. Absolutely dog shit. My word. I can't believe I listened to him. Then I packed bullshit. Anyways. Let's do this. Okay, come on. And there we are. And I opened it at the wrong time. Oh my god. I just knew it. 103 Smith. Oh my god. But you know, we can guarantee do the star pick on this account. Because it's my main one. 9,000. And check out you. 6 yards. 500. Oh my god. Hold up a second, guys. Okay, we want to. Okay, no, never mind. So we have enough. We have enough, guys. We have enough. Let's go. Okay, stop it. And yeah. Here we go, guys. The last pack of the day. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. EA. Give me something good. Oh my days. I've been asking for a midfielder on this account, and look what EA gives me. Lothar Matthäus. Oh my days. Thank you, EA. Thank you, EA. Oh my days. 107 Lothar Matthäus. That's gonna be it for the video, guys. Thank you for this pack opening, and we'll see you guys next time.